I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use top-notch principles to elevate your work. We'll dive right into understanding what top-notch truly means for your specific goals. It's about setting a clear vision and knowing exactly what excellence looks like before you even begin. We'll cover defining your objectives, understanding requirements, and identifying key indicators to measure your success. This foundational step is crucial for everything that follows. Now that you have a clear vision, the next step is strategic planning. This involves carefully allocating your resources, whether it's your time, budget, or materials, to ensure you have everything needed. Develop a detailed action plan, breaking down your project into manageable, actionable steps. It's also wise to anticipate potential challenges and prepare contingency plans, giving you a robust framework for success. With your plan in place, it's time for execution. Implement each step diligently, paying close attention to every detail, as even small elements contribute to overall quality. Regularly review your progress against the goals you established in the first slide. Don't hesitate to incorporate feedback and make iterative improvements. This continuous refinement process is key to achieving truly top-notch results. Finally, sustaining top-notch quality is about continuous improvement. Conduct thorough final reviews and quality checks to ensure everything meets your high standards. Actively gather feedback from all stakeholders. This input is invaluable for future learning and refining your approach. Document your best practices and lessons learned, creating a knowledge base that helps you consistently achieve excellence in all your endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.